Today we are gonna be installing this Paperfield screen protector to my iPad, which is an 11-inch iPad, and the original one that you will see in Amazon is called Paperlike, but this one is a more budget-friendly option. So I'm gonna try to put it over my tempered protector. I have read about it and they said it works, so I'm gonna try that because I still want my iPad protected. So let's get started. So first what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean my screen with an alcohol just to make sure it's very clean. And then after that I'm gonna use this screen cleaner just to remove all the lint and the dust. So now it's clean. We're gonna open this protector. So there is a thing here that you can open, and it comes with two pieces. Let's pull it out. As you can see, there are two Paperfield protector. I'm gonna be using this one. So let's take it out. Let me see if there's any instruction inside. So there are some stuff inside it. Oops, what is this? I don't know what this is for, but I'll read the instruction in a bit. Then it comes with an installation guide. So you can see, wow, there's a lot of like so as you can see, there are like sticks to the screen protector. This is to remove the dust. It's like a dust remover. And then installation guide. So what is this? Oh, this is for, oh, this is the dust removal. Let's see here. Positioning sticker sticks to the back of your device. And then they also came with cleaning wipes. Oh, there actually is. So we're gonna double clean the screen then. All right, so let's see here. Okay, so let's use this cleaning wipe that they have. So let's keep on cleaning. You can see this is like the thing that you press to make the screen protector stick. And then let's see here. Positioning sticker, stick to the back of your device. Here is the installation guide. It says put your tablet in the two anti-skidding mats. So this is the two mats. I actually don't have a big enough surface to do that, so I'll just put it on top of this boggle thing. So I'm going to put it on it so it doesn't move. And let's see. Turn off that fan so it's not. Alright, so let's see here. The next step, what I did is I removed the iPad and place it right here. This is a little bit tricky, so we're going to flip over the device. And let's see here. It says to stick this. This one is the positioning sticker, sticks to the back of your device. So let's see here. Oh, sorry, that is a little bit sticky. So look at that. Then there's another one. Ooh. Let's see. This is a little bit tricky. So I have attached the last piece. Okay, so we're gonna flip this over now. This. Actually put it on the wrong side. It's not supposed to be in the camera side, but on this side. So let's do that. So now when you flip it over, it's like this. So I'll clean the screen one more time. use this dust remover, as you can see. And let's try to clean this. Remove all the dust. Oops. So I'm going to turn off the tablet just to clean that one more time. You're going to position this one part should be facing the screen. I'm going to write a little bit and then position it close to your tablet like this. And we're going to attach this stickers in here. So we're going to attach it. Oops. So make sure it's really straight. Okay. Alright, and the last one is this piece. Okay. So you got your 3 things attached, so to make it secure, now we're going to remove the bottom piece. So this is not too bad, so now you're going to do a final cleaning on your screen. Make sure there's nothing attached in there. Make sure there's no dust and particles. And now you can start peeling your thing. So you're going to peel this side. You can see I'm peeling this piece. Okay, let's peel it off. And it shouldn't move now because we have... Okay, so let's hold this piece. As you can see, there you go. Ooh. Okay, let's make sure it's the right spot. And while doing that, you can use your squeegee thing. Okay. Sorry for the glare, but there. So it actually went pretty good there. You can see I have installed the Paperlike thing. You just have to clean the bubbles with a squeegee board. Now you can peel this piece, this number 2 piece. Let's try to peel this off. Wow. So as you can see, look, this is a very unusual texture. It's paper feel texture. So look, I'm gonna remove it. I won't be in the video, but there you go. And then you can remove all these pieces. Yeah, it's a little bit tricky, but it worked. Now there are some bubbles. You can just use a squeegee to clean up all those bubbles, and there you go. You have your Paperlike cover for your iPad. So this is good for like artists. If you like draw a lot or write a lot in your iPad, this would be helpful for the Paperlike feel. I hope this installation video helped. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Oh, and again, I will link this one in the description. It's $8 on Amazon, and I think it is a good deal for 2.